everyone, it is Jessica with PlanIt Southern, and in today's video I pulled out the planning portion from the vlog from week 10 and slowed it down just a little bit, and I'm going to be talking you guys through that today, just giving you a little different view, a little slow down view of the planning portion. Some people just don't want to watch the vlog, which is totally cool, so I wanted to give them also an option and kind of slow it down a little bit, tell you guys what I'm using. So in the first full week of March, I'm going to be doing my monthly overview. This is where I do a lot of my future planning, a lot of my events, keep track of appointments that are made, things like that. And I do that with washi, decorative stickers, and my mini cons from my shop. So we will go ahead and do that and then move on to the dailies. done with that monthly overview, we can take a look at our weekly overview and move on to the daily pages. So all of the icons that you see have been laid down in the monthly Plan With Me. I think it's called the March Setup Party, if I remember correctly. So all of that has been taken care of. I lay down all of those. Those are all mini cons from my shop. My shop link is down below as well. And before the video, I sat down with my master calendar, which is iCal from my iPhone, and I wrote down any appointments or meetings or anything that needed to be taken care of on a certain day. I wrote all of that down, as well as the weekly weather. I know weather does change, but I like to have kind of like a flip through of what it possibly will be, or close to what it will be for that day throughout the whole week, so I can plan ahead. So here you're just seeing me write down any appointments, putting down at the bottom on those habit trackers. I track my morning oils that I use, nighttime oils, and Zyrtec for my dog and my husband. And then now I'm moving on to the daily pages. I'm using the to-do and today headers from the Planner Society kit. And I'm also going to be putting down some deco stickers and some just stickers, just random stickers. Stickers like the weather stickers, any icons, things like that. Most of the icons are going to be from my shop. Some are going to be from Little Red Print's shop. I'll link them down below as well, or the Planner Society. So I'm just going to let the music roll through these dailies, and then I'll check back in with you at the end of the video. here is the finished product. You will notice that these are just the bones of my planner. The header boxes, stickers, any meetings that are set in stone, and I didn't write down the temperatures on Thursday or Friday, but I have filled them in. And then I just used some fancy handwriting at the end, or at least tried to. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Here are a few others you can check out if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will check you guys out in the next one. Bye!